high-protein recipes that changed my life. Let me take you back to a point in my life where I felt completely stuck. I was sluggish, tired all the time, and surviving off random snacks I'd grab between work, errands, and everything in between. Sound familiar? My energy levels were a mess, and honestly, I didn't feel good in my own skin. I knew I needed to make a change, but where to start? Then one day, while scrolling through food blogs, instead of working out, you know how it goes, I stumbled across something interesting: high-protein recipes. At first, I thought, just another trend. But something about it intrigued me. Maybe it was the promise of more energy or better focus. So, I decided to give it a shot. And you know what? It wasn't just a game changer. It was a life changer. I went from feeling exhausted all the time to having the energy to power through my day. And those mindless cravings for junk food? Gone. Today, I want to share that same secret with you. We're diving into the magic of high-protein diets and why they can make such a difference. You see, protein isn't just for bodybuilders, it's essential for everyone. It helps repair tissues, builds lean muscle, and even keeps you full longer, which means less snacking throughout the day. Oh, and here's the kicker. It can even boost your metabolism, helping you feel more energized and burn calories more efficiently. But let's be real, knowing the benefits of protein is one thing. Figuring out how to fit it into your meals without getting bored is a whole other challenge. If you're anything like me, you've probably gotten stuck eating the same chicken and rice combo on repeat. Yikes, right? That's why I'm here, to show you that high-protein eating doesn't have to be boring. I've got 4 delicious, easy-to-make recipes that are packed with protein and taste amazing. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned home chef, these dishes will fit right into your routine. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to get cooking. Now, before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about some of the challenges that come with eating healthy. First off, time. Who has the energy to cook after a long day? Then, there's decision fatigue. Ever find yourself staring into the fridge for 10 minutes, only to grab a granola bar? Yeah, me too. And let's not forget how complicated some healthy recipes can be, like, who has time to hunt down exotic ingredients? Trust me, I've been there. I would reach for chips or order takeout instead of making something nutritious, just because it felt easier. But here's the thing, once I found a handful of go-to high-protein recipes that were simple and delicious, everything changed. Meal prep became less of a chore and more of a lifestyle. And I stopped feeling overwhelmed by food choices. So, here's my promise to you, these recipes will fit easily into your life. They're quick, straightforward, and most importantly, tasty. Once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever got by without them. Let's get to the good stuff. Here are 4 of my all-time favorite high-protein recipes that you need to try. Chicken quinoa salad. This one is a personal favorite. You'll need some cooked quinoa, grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette. Just toss everything together, and you're done. It's light, refreshing, and surprisingly filling. Whether it's lunch, dinner, or a post-workout meal, this salad always hits the spot. Greek yogurt parfait. Here's an easy breakfast or snack option. All you need is some Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and granola. Layer them in a glass or bowl, and voila! Not only is it packed with protein, but it also satisfies your sweet tooth. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something fast but nutritious. Spicy turkey chili on colder days. This is my go-to. You'll need ground turkey, canned tomatoes, kidney beans, bell peppers, and chili spices. Cook it all in one pot, and you've got a hearty, protein-rich meal that's perfect for meal prep. It stores well in the fridge, so you can make a big batch and enjoy it all week long. Bonus, it tastes even better the next day. Protein-packed smoothie. This smoothie is a lifesaver when you're in a rush. Just blend your favorite protein powder with a banana, a handful of spinach, and some almond milk. It takes less than 5 minutes to make, and it's perfect for breakfast or as a post-workout treat. Plus, it's a sneaky way to get in some greens. So let's do a quick recap. The chicken quinoa salad is perfect for lunch or dinner. The Greek yogurt parfait is great for breakfast or a quick snack. The turkey chili works wonders for meal prep and cozy dinners. And the protein smoothie is your go-to for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. Incorporating these recipes into my diet made a huge difference. I feel more energized, my cravings for junk food have significantly decreased, and I've found myself actually enjoying cooking again. And the best part? These small changes have had a ripple effect on my overall health and well-being. It's amazing what a few simple recipes can do. Looking back, I'm so glad I took the leap and started experimenting with high-protein meals. It's not just about food, it's about feeling good in your own skin and having the energy to live life to the fullest. Now, it's your turn. I challenge you to try at least one of these recipes this week and see how you feel. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do give them a try, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Or, if you have your own favorite high-protein recipes, drop them below. I'm always looking for new ideas. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.